Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the printer error 1260. Connect to a printer and a policy is in effect on your computer which prevents you from connecting to this printer's queue. Please contact your system administrator. So we're going to go about how to resolve this issue as quickly as possible, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in run, so run. Best match should come back a run right above app. So go ahead and just left click on that. Now I'm going to have a command or path in the description of my video. It starts with msdt.exe. I want you guys to just copy it, so highlight over it, right click and copy. And then into this open field right here, you want to right click and then paste it in. And then select OK or hit enter, whatever you prefer. And it's going to say troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Go ahead and select the advanced button and checkmark, or if it's not checkmarked by default, you want to checkmark it to apply repairs automatically. Select next to begin the diagnosis here. So if it gives any suggestions such as switching your default printer, so if you know that there is a printer that's not currently default that you want to be default, you might want to consider applying the fix. Otherwise, just skip anything that it suggests here and just let it continue on. So now once that is done, I would suggest closing out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.